No, I have them on I have one a rolling cart. It's okay, just set it on the table because we'll share it all out.
At Mumm Napa, Britt Sullivan responded with something I'd like to read. She said, "It's always come down to the people. Mumm Napa has a very diverse group of people, which makes it a dynamic place to work." And what better way to honor this great happening earlier today. We have been receiving 9 new tanks for our cellar, including new bottling tanks to help us maintain our quality. So these are all really, really exciting projects for us. And I have a copy of the blueprints for the new tanks and for the